Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new recipe video. I made taco, it's called Tater Tot Casserole. I got a few requests to do a tater tot casserole and I found this subscriber, one of my subscribers. She's also a member of my channel, both my channels. She does videos too, and she does a lot of like, you know, what's for dinner videos. She does haul videos. Now she's starting to do more mukbang videos. So this is a collab video. Definitely check her out after this video. I'll put the link in my description box, but we are collabing. So she's doing it like a tater tot casserole or something like that. I forget what the name of it she's doing. I think it's tater tot fries or something, I'm not sure. But this is a tater tot. So she made this on her channel called What's for Dinner. So it's like a taco version. There's no canned soups or anything. That's what I like about it. It's a Mexican theme, so I thought it'd be really cool to try. Now on her channel she made a crock pot version. I decided to do it in the oven since it was quicker and I didn't have time to put it in a crock pot, you know. And we're having salad with ranch dressing with a little bit of avocado and cheese, simple salad. So I'm really excited to give this a try. So let's try it out. Oh, and then Vanessa likes to add sour cream on hers. So I thought I would try this first plain and then maybe add sour cream. So let's try it out. Yeah. Oh wow. It's a little spicy, actually. Maybe with enchilada sauce. Oh yeah. I don't know why. It tastes a little spicy. I don't think it's the taco seasoning, so I had some of it after the taco seasoning. I think it might be the enchilada sauce, but it's really good. Oh yeah. I love the corn on here too. It's really good. Let's put my let's eat sign. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if it's going to show very well, but it took me a while to get everything set up so everything was correctly, you know, like this sign was in place. I don't know if you can see the food very well, but it's just kind of hard to set up today for some reason, but yeah. And I have a new microphone. And if, in a minute I'm going to just test out my other old one to see which one sounds the best. But this one is like on my shirt, clip on my shirt. Another one, I just had it over here, but I want to test it out a little bit in a second. But I'm gonna add some sour cream. I think it might calm down the spice as well. I think I might have this for lunch tomorrow. I have so much of this left over, way much more than I need. I'm gonna freeze a bunch. Hopefully it'll still be good. Yeah. Try with sour cream. Oh, that's really good. Wow. Yeah, sour cream, not that spicy. It's really good. So I found this recipe from Vanessa, White Randomness. She's a YouTuber and a subscriber of mine. She has a really cool channel. I started didn't realize she was a YouTuber too, because she's a subscriber. And her videos are really cool. She does What's for Dinner, which I just love What's for Dinner. She does these hauls. She does vlogs. Now she's doing mukbang videos. I didn't know hauls was really popular. She had I think she had 12 or 16,000 views from this Costco haul. And I was looking at her videos. All her highest rating videos, like the highest viewed, is all the hauls, like Costco hauls. And she has this really cute laugh. So it's kind of cute how she laughs, and she's just naturally funny. She's very natural. She has really good energy. She reminds me of me a little bit. The way she talks, she's just a natural person. She's just not trying to be fake like some YouTubers are. And I don't know, she has this calming energy about her. She's very calm and she's very, I don't know, I can relate to her a lot, actually. Also, her editing is really good, really good. She's really good editing. Something I need to do is learn more editing skills. I've just been so busy lately working. It's just really hard to like focus on my editing when I'm always working. But yeah, check her out. Also, in case you don't know, I'm going to be starting a new segment on my channel called What's for Dinner. So I'm going to showcase 3 dinner videos for the week. And I thought I would just do that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because Thursday and Friday I work double shifts. It's really, I can't really film. And then Saturday and Sunday I work evenings at Walmart. So I think I'm going to film 3 dinner, what I eat for dinner for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is like 3 dinners a week. And what's for dinner videos, most people do, they film like 3 to 5 dinner ideas for the week for their family. So I thought I would just do 3. I might include a dessert if I make a dessert or want a dessert or something, but I'm not sure. Some people do film like the fast food or restaurants. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I might just film like what I make. So for this week, I already filmed all my videos, including this one. So my nephew came over Monday, and I had spaghetti left over in the freezer, so I just made spaghetti. A big meal with salad, garlic bread, so it's like the works. Last night I made chicken legs, had some of that garlic bread yesterday left over, and I had some broccoli. The chicken legs were, I kind of burned them. And then I'm doing this video. Those are all my 3 dinners. This sour cream's the best. It makes it 100% better. Wow. This is so good. Oh my god. So good. Now drinking some water. All right, let's try some of this salad. It's ranch dressing. I think it's good. It's gonna cool down. Let's cool off this. Melt a little bit. All right, I'm gonna switch microphone. I'm gonna just do a test to see which one sounds the best. All right, I have this microphone on right here. Let's just see how it sounds. If it sounds better than the one I got, or the reason why I got this one, because if I do like cooking videos or like what's for dinner videos, I can just attach it to my shirt. That'd be really easy. This one is like a stand, but I'm just curious which one sounds the best. So we'll start talking and eating. But this is good. Will be a nice touch is adding some cilantro. I might do that next time. But I would give this 7 out of 5. If I had to rate it, it's really good. You can find this on oliverecipes.com as well. She has a crock pot version. I decided to do in the oven. It's only 40 minutes in the oven, so it worked better for me if I did it in the oven. I'm going to move this microphone a little bit backer to see if it's too much sound. But yeah, I'm excited about doing these what's for dinner. Honestly, I like these videos better than the mukbang videos. I just feel like I always love to cook, and I'm just really excited to I just like to make new recipes. This is a winner. I would never have guessed. I'm not really big on Tater Tot Casserole, but I don't know. Got a lot of requests to do it. This is really good. But yeah, I'm excited. I could start making some, you know, recipes for you guys, recipes for me. I'm gonna try new recipes. If you have requested for me to do a recipe, let me know. I think next week, I think I'm gonna be making like maybe one big meal, and two of the meals are really simple. Like the spaghetti I did last week was really simple. The chicken legs was really simple. This was more complicated, a little bit, because you gotta mix everything. You have to cut the onion. It just takes more time, more prep work. But next week, I'm thinking about making this. I think it's called mustard pretzel chicken. It also, you make it with like, it comes with the sauce. You make it like mustard cheese sauce. It looks so good. I might make that. I'm not sure. That might be my main meal. And then I might make veggie tacos, my other meal. And the other meal, I might make, I have coconut shrimp from Safeway in the freezer. I can make that with a baked potato and broccoli. Those are my three ideas I might make next week. I'm not really sure. But it's getting me excited. Like, I don't usually like think, what am I going to make for dinner, for like a week in advance. So it's going to be cool. I'm really excited. So, yeah, people like my cooking, so I'm really excited. All right, I'm going to go ahead and switch out to the other microphone. All right, I changed the other microphone. I just want to do a test for myself. I'll know in editing what sounds the best. You guys can let me know as well. I think I might upload this on Monday, so hope you guys having a great Monday. Mondays are always hard for me. I'm just always so tired. But yeah, I need some more sour cream. A lot of sour cream. I don't know if you noticed, I am changing my channel a little bit. I'm adding in some more different videos just to get some impressions of what you guys like. Some people are telling me they don't like my live videos, or I'm doing too much live videos. And a few people that tell me they stopped watching me because I did so many live videos. I'm like, really? So I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm definitely doing less live videos. This one subscriber, she was like, she used to watch me a lot more, but she doesn't because I do all these live videos. But the thing about it is if I don't do live videos, I'll make less videos. So you will definitely watch me less if I don't do live videos. Because I work like a lot of hours. So, but I'm doing these shorter videos, so it's taking less time to edit it. Like these hauls, going to like Target and checking out the Valentine's or whatever, or Walmart. These videos, I'm just going to do a test to see what people think of them, and also how much money I'm making, how many views I'm getting. Like when I went to Dollar Tree and I did the Valentine's, it was a very short video. I only made $1.34. I think it has 400 or 500 views, not that much. It may not be worth it to do the hauls. I just want to do a test. And of course I want to do videos you want to see, so that's why I wanted to do hauls. So. But I don't know, maybe I can include some hauls in my weekly vlogs. I don't know. This is spicy. But you'll like it. It's like Mexican food. You like it. I recommend it. So let me know what you think about this background. Hopefully the Let's Eat sign shows up. Okay. I did get a request from a subscriber. She said she does miss my kitchen background. She seems it's like more natural or something. I forget what she said, but she says maybe I can include the kitchen background in some of my videos, so I might do that. Does anybody like my kitchen backgrounds, or do you prefer this one? It's so spicy with the sour cream. I don't know. Maybe enchilada sauce is spicy. I didn't think it was. Maybe it is. Every time I do a cooking video, I always eat so late. It's like probably 10, almost 10 right now. Alright guys, that was really good. If you want to try it, I'll leave the recipe in the description down below. And don't forget to check out Vanessa White Randomness. She has great videos. Check out what she's eating, what is she making for her tater tot recipe video. I'm super excited to find out. And thanks for watching, and let her know that Karebear sent you. And yeah, I'm sure you love her. And yeah, have a great day. Peace.